Hi, I'm Jacob Wersch, Product Manager with Lincoln Electric, and today I'm here with the entire family of POWERMIG 262s. These three machines all have 300 amp output and are capable of MIG and flux core welding, but there's some subtle differences that make these different tools for different jobs. The first one here is the POWERMIG 262. It's a simple analog display capable of flux core and MIG, and can also run a spool gun and push-pull for aluminum applications. The POWERMIG 262P upgrades to a 7-inch screen with ready set weld, preset parameters, and with arc effects so you can see your weld before you make it. It also has a flux feature which makes it better for certain types of MIG welding. The last one in the lineup is going to be the POWERMIG 262MP. That stands for multi-process. This brings DC stick welding and DC TIG welding to the line, along with that 7-inch screen and all of those advanced features we saw on the P. Between these three machines, we've got a machine for every job, and you can learn more on lincolnelectric.com.